Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 6130M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just over 100 hours on it. It's a very nice, very clean tractor. As you can see, it is practically new. Tractor's rated 130 horsepower. Does have the mirrors on both sides of the cab. Also has some front weights that'll go right with the machine. Firestone radial tires on it. It does have a loader valve and joystick, so if you do want to add a loader to this tractor, you certainly can do so now or in the future. Lots of work lights in the cab. Has a rear wiper, triple remotes back here. 540N1000 PTO. Button on the fender here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Does have the buddy seat here in the cab, air right seat for the operator. Has the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows direction changes without clutching. Does have the 24-speed PowerQuad transmission. Also can shift the transmission right here on the loader joystick, and also change direction on the loader joystick as well. All the rest of your controls are located to the right. Your 3-point hydraulic PTO controls all located to the right. This tractor does have the display on the right post, leaving your front view completely unobstructed. You can see there's still all the paint on the pedals, and again, practically a new tractor here. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.